Hey basketball enthusiasts, welcome to our shooting tutorial. Today we're going to cover some essential tips to improve your shooting skills. Let's get to it. First up, we have proper shooting form. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, knees slightly bent, and your shooting hand under the ball, with your other hand on the side for support. Next, focus on your hand placement. Your shooting hand should form a C shape on the ball with your fingers spread comfortably. Use your non-shooting hand as a guide to aim the shot. Next up, we have balance and follow through. Maintain balance throughout your shot and don't forget the follow through. Your shot arm should fully extend towards the basket with your wrist snapping downward upon release. For our next step, we have eye on the target. Keep your eyes locked on the target, whether it's the rim or a specific spot on the backboard. Visualizing the shot going in can improve your accuracy. For our last and final step, we have practice drills. Finally, practice makes perfect. Incorporate shooting drills into your training routine, such as spot shooting, free throws, or game-like scenarios to stimulate real game situations.